What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Xbox app is not installing and it is having an error code 0x80190001 on your Microsoft Store and on your PC, and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about we have to do a restart on the PC. To do so, just go over here in the start, click on this three-dot menu and do a restart. Once the restart is done, you have to check. Next one, we need to start the Microsoft account sign-in assistant. So to do so, we just need to go over here, search for the services, click on the services. Now from here, we have to start Microsoft account sign-in. So just go over here. Now over here, we'll be able to find the Microsoft account sign-in assistant. Right click on this one, go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and the service status is running. Go for OK and right click on it once again. Go to restart. Once the restart is done, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, if you are having the trouble, let's try third step. That is all about run inetcpl.cpl command. So go over here in the search, type inetcpl.cpl, then click on this one. Go to advanced, scroll down and navigate to, make sure that you put a check on use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2 and also use TLS 1.3. All four these things should be put a check on all these things and go for OK. Then check. Fourth step is all about we need to try installing the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store or the website. So you can just go over here, search for the Microsoft Store, get into the Microsoft Store. Now instead of you can try downloading the Xbox app either from the Microsoft Store. You can get the Xbox app, then you can try downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I can launch the game from here. Open the app from here. Then I need to check, either I can sign in or I can browse it and I can check from here. That might work. Or you can directly go over here on the Google Chrome. You can just go over here in the Google Chrome. Now search here for Xbox app download. Now you can just go over here. From the official site, you can get the Microsoft Store. You'll be having this official site. From here, you can download the app as well. Both are fine. You can try which one is working for you. Then you can check. Step 5 is all about we need to run these commands in the CMD. That is ipconfig flushdns, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew. So let me copy this first. Let me go over here, search for CMD. Make sure run it as an administrator. Go for yes. Now copy and paste this, press enter. Now I have to go for the next one, that is ipconfig release. Copy this, go over here, paste it, press enter. Then go to the next one, that is ipconfig renew. Copy this and you have to go over here, paste it, press enter. Once done, you have to close and you have to move to the next step. Yes, this sixth step is all about we have to switch to a different network, either try mobile hotspot. So if I'm on the Wi-Fi right now, as you can see, in my case, I'm on the BSNL Wi-Fi. So either I have to try connect to any other Wi-Fi, that is also fine. Or you can completely turn this off and use mobile hotspot and you have to check. Next one, if you have turned off any VPN, you have to turn it on. So if you're using any kind of VPN, try turning it off and you have to turn on. Or if you're already using a VPN, then turn it off, then you have to check. Like after a few minutes, turn it on, then you have to check. You have to do it vice versa, then you have to check. Next one, we need to run the gaming service repair tool. So just go over here on the Google Chrome. Now here we have to search for gaming service repair tool. Now go to this particular page. Now from here, you have to wait for a bit of time. Now from here, go to the downloadable version. Scroll down. Now you will be having over here in the downloadable version. If you scroll down, you can see download gaming service repair tool. Click on this one. So it will be downloaded. Then once it's successfully downloaded, you have to open it and you have to run it. Go for yes. Now this might take a little bit of time because this is actually a kind of a process where we have to wait. Now once it's successfully done, you have to check most probably. That's going to help you guys out. So this they even work in many users. So you might be getting a message like it is successfully completed. Till that we have to wait. As you can see, it says retry your actions and verify that works now. So you have to go over here, type Y and you have to enter. So press enter, so it will be closed. Then we have to log out and log in with the correct account on both the Microsoft Store, and you have to make sure the date time region is correct. So if you have already signed in on your Xbox account, with the same details or the credentials, you have to sign in on your Microsoft Store account as well. Both should be same. Should be signing on both at the same time, like with the same credentials. That is very important. And also apart from this, if you go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here, navigate to the time and language, go to date and time. Make sure the time zone automatically should be turned on. Time automatically should be turned on. And also this particular thing, show date and time, should also be turned on. All these things should be completely turned on. That's very important. And also you have to check for sync now. Now once done, you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, we have to go over here. You have to use the Microsoft Store library and try installing it, which means go to the Microsoft Store. Now first go over here in the library, and if you're having the Xbox, you can try download it from here. You might be having the Xbox over here. If you scroll down, you can see the Xbox somewhere else here. Or you can go to the downloads. If you over here in the download, for me, I'm already having the Xbox. As you can see, I'm getting open option. If you're having install option, you can install it and you have to check. Next one is all about, we need to run this PowerShell command. That is, you have to go over here, this particular command over here. Let me copy this. And you have to go over here, search for the PowerShell. You have to run it as an administrator. Now go for yes. Now we have to wait, you have to paste it, then press enter. So this will take a little bit of time. So this is actually a time consuming process, because once it's successfully after one by one, this has to go like this. The activity should be reached 100 over here. So this will take a little bit of time. So what I'll do is, let me skip this, or I'll keep this over here, let it get processed over here, and we'll move to the next step. Now we need to delete the Microsoft Store local cache. So to do so, just go over here in the C, go to this PC, go to local disk C. Now from here we have to navigate to username. You have to go to users, go to your user, go to app data, go to local, scroll down and navigate to packages. Now from here we have to find this particular version. So let me copy this and go over here. I'll search it over here and paste it, press enter. Now once you get it, you have to get into this, and you can see you'll be having one thing called local cache. You'll be having a separate folder here called local cache. So don't get into it. Whatever you're having here inside this, you have to delete it, or you can just go back from the local cache itself. You can delete it. Both are fine. Now once you're done with this one, let's try next step. That is all about run ws reset command. So just go over here, ws reset command over here. You have to open it. Then it will open it directly to the Microsoft Store. Now from here in the Microsoft Store, you have to try downloading the Xbox and try launching it, and we have to check. Next step, we need to repair and reset both the store, that is Xbox and Microsoft Store. So let me go over here. First let me search here for the Xbox. Right click on this one, go to app setting, scroll down a little bit, and you can see we have option called repair and reset. First go for repair. This will take not much time, a little bit of time. Once the repair is successfully done, we have to go for reset. While the reset is done, the Xbox from the tray will be completely gone, and you have to you have to open it once again. Then you have to check. Now you can see the Xbox will be completely going from here. So once the reset is also done, you have to launch the Xbox once again, and you can check. Maybe the launch error code might be fixing there. Once you're done with this one, you have to do the same for the Microsoft Store. That is also very important. Now we are done with the Xbox. Similarly, go over here, search for the Microsoft Store, click on the Microsoft Store, go to the app setting. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to repair first. Just wait for it. Once the repair is successfully done, now we have to go over here, click on the reset. So the Microsoft Store will be vanished from here. Now we have to open the Microsoft Store once again, and you have to check. Next step is all about, we have to update stores from the download. So just go over here, update store from store download. So you have to make sure that is also done, and also we have to install the Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Service. So in order to install it, we can use this particular link in order to download it. So if you go over here, you can see this is for the Xbox Identity Provider. So from here you can download this link. So you go to the Microsoft Store, and within the Microsoft Store you can install the Xbox Identity Provider. So in my case, like I said, I have already installed it, so I'm not having the install option. Once you install it, what you need to do is you have to go over here. Now we need to uninstall the remains of a gaming service. So let me copy this first. First we need to uninstall it, then we need to install it back. So you'll be having all these commands in the video description, don't worry. Now this is completely done. Let me close this. Go over here once again. I have to search for PowerShell and I have to run it as an administrator. Go for yes. Now we have to go over here, paste it, press enter. Now once it is done, I have to go back. After uninstalling, we have to reinstall it back. So let me copy this and I have to go over here, paste it, press enter. Now I have to install the gaming service and I have to check. That is also fine. Next one is all about we need to start all these kind of services like IP, helper, Xbox, all these things. So let me go over here. Let me try one by one. First we have to go over here, click on this one. Now we need to wait for IP helper. So keep scrolling down and navigate to IP helper. So right click over here, go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and it is running. Go for OK. Similarly, now we have to scroll down and navigate to at the bottom. We have to run Xbox accessory management. So right click and go to the properties. Make sure all these are automatic and running. Now go to Xbox Live Port Manager. Go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and running. Go for Xbox Live Game Save. Make sure if it is manual and it is stopped, you have to change it to automatic. Now go for start. Then you have to wait. Go for apply and go for OK. Similarly for Xbox Live Game Networking Service, go to automatic and running. Go for OK. Now go over here at the top, go to Windows Update, go to the properties, make sure automatic and running. Similarly, apart from this, we have to go for Microsoft Install Service. So let me go over here. We left one. So right click, go to the properties, make sure it is automatic and running, go for OK and you have to check. Next step is all about we need to update the Windows. So just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here navigate to the Windows Update. Just update your Windows. Once the Windows is up to date, you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, we need to uninstall and reinstall. So to do so, we just need to go over here, copy this particular command. Then we have to reboot it. So let me copy this. So we are going to uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store. So let me go over here. Search for the PowerShell. Now click on this one. Sorry, we need to run it as an administrator. Go over here in the PowerShell. Then you have to run it as an administrator. Now go for yes. Then copy and paste it. Paste it, press enter. Now copy this particular command, that is this one. It's quite big. Copy this and you have to paste it, press enter. Now we have to do a restart on a system, then you have to check. Next one, try updating the Windows to the latest version using this tool, that is over here. You can get this particular link, I'll be providing in the video description. You have to update using the Windows 11 installation media and you have to check. That is also very important. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the error code 0x80190001 on your Microsoft Store on your PC and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into steps. So these are the steps and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.